Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the lack of updates. I've been on vacation in Colorado riding my motorcycle, doing several trails going up to the upper elevations, just kind of get away from things for a while. Rode about 450 miles off-road, or about, 720 kilometers. I really enjoyed my time away from everything. Just wanted to share a couple of the pictures that I took. Had my drone with me, took a quick little video. Unbelievable landscape and views that you get riding this trail. So if you wanted to know what I rode, it's called the Ride BDR. You can go to ridebdr.com. They're not a sponsor, anything like that. It's a trail it's a mixture between county, private, public roads, and so on, where this company has an agreement with private landowners in order to ride through their property in some instances. Very cool, very much enjoyed it. You got to see a lot of the parts of Colorado you're not even able to see on four wheels if you go on some of these Jeep trails and things like that. So anyway, didn't want to bore you any further. We'll get to it. You can see that everything has been sitting outside here behind our shop, and this is what you're seeing here is after I've actually already filmed and washed and done everything. The prior month, everything was sitting on its side, rotated 90 degrees. So now they're back to the standard position where they're face down, where the edges of the hood are face down. Now we're going to go ahead and foam it down with our Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it down again, wash it, and rinse it. And then we will see how all the hydrophobics are holding up now. So we're now at the 10-month mark. We've had a lot of rain this past month, as have we had a lot of rain the previous month as well. As usual, check the links in the video description is where you can buy any of these products, as it does help the channel out. I also have my awesome spreadsheet with all the info, the products in the description. If you'd like to support the channel, that information's on your screen here. And then here's the last 30 days and the lifetime weather. Let's get to it. Turtle Wax Ceramic Wet Wax. It's been looking like this since the 60-day mark. We've called it weak, but nothing has changed. So I don't know if that would be considered a failure or not. Everything else on the top row, except for Mother's CMX at the very end and IGL Graphene, Easy Graphene, are the only ones still going. And you can see Mother's CMX now at the 10-month mark. It's still looking weak. We're not going to quite call that failed yet. IGL Easy Graphene, this is the pre-production version, but again, it's the same thing as the production version. It's still looking very hydrophobic. Adams 9H Graphene Spray. It was looking kind of weak at the 8-month mark. It's kind of in that same boat. It's still doing okay. Griot's 3-in-1. That's also getting on the weaker side of things, but it still looks like it's performing pretty well. G-Technic C2V3, kind of in the same boat. Believe it, about the 7-month mark is when we started marking that one weak, and it looks like it is continuing to degrade. But Adams and Griot's, you see them side by side. Griot's look like it's performing just a little bit better. C2V3 and Adams 9H spray coating, the non-graphene version, still looking a little bit weak, but again, seems like it's doing all right. Just you can tell it's getting weak. Shine Armor, that failed early on. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray Wax, weak at the 7-month mark, still kind of weak. Glossit Bodyguard Spray, Body Spray Guard, still looks very hydrophobic. It's one of the more expensive items in this test. Moving down to the bottom, CarPro Reload, less than 60 days. Next Gen, less than 30 days. The last coat V2 was 7 months. Owner's Pride, less than 60 days. F11 failed at the first wash. And IGL Premier looking pretty weak too. Not quite to where we're going to call it failed, but it's getting up there. It's advertised as 6 months or up to 6 months, and it looks like it's outliving that. So really no new failures to report this month. Just everything getting much weaker. The big surprise for me out of all of these has been the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 Spray Ceramic SiO2. It's especially for, around the $20 price point, that's doing pretty great. So thoughts, comments, let me know, guys. Appreciate it. Stay tuned for more. As usual, every other day or every third day, I'll have updates for all these tests. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.